All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about design templates. So if I click on that, okay, once it loads up here, so we can talk about design project templates. So I'm going to cover these top 6, okay? And so you have the design project template, an easy to use template for planning and monitoring your branding and product design projects outline. Okay, you have design system checklist. So a design system unites product teams around a common visual language. Freelance branding project, so use this template to run your next branding project. Game design template, easy to organize template for planning a video game project. Then we have the ADDIE template, use this time-tested ADDIE instructional design model to get your project up and running quickly. Then you have the portfolio, step-by-step guide. This template is for beginners who want to make a portfolio for their next job. So those are some of the design templates that you can work with inside of Trello. There are other ones here, but again, this is based on May 28th, 2021. So if you're watching this at a different time later than that, just remember that the information may have changed. Okay? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.